Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine on the MetaMask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MetaMask application on your device and then provide your biometrics in order to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you tap on the browser option at the bottom, you can directly tap on the search button in order to use the search engine. Now by default, the search engine is set to Google, but if you wish to change this, just tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on General. Now within the General tab, just scroll down and you will see the search engine section. Just tap on the drop down menu and you can now choose between Google and DuckDuckGo. Just tap on your preferred search engine, and now when you go back to the search section, you can initiate your search and your chosen search engine will be used right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your search engine on the MetaMask wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.